So today class phase equilibrium for two component system. So what is two component system? So two component system is two component system is applicable to only phase rule is written as by only this one. So F equal to C minus P plus 2. So in this one, the number of component will be present only 2. At the time, that system will be called as only what? Two component system. So in this two component system, for applicable to only phase rule. So in the yesterday class, F equal to C minus P plus 2, the number of component only one, phases will be different. In this one, the number of components will be 2. So that's why the component will be called as only two component system. So 2 minus phases plus 2, that we equal to 4 minus P. So in this one, so in this phase equation is applicable to only two component system which have either two phases or three phases or four phases, but not even two component system, only one phase. So in this one, only one phase. So component wise, different phases wise, only one phase. So that's why the system will be having only what? 3 degree of freedom. 3 degree of freedom. So in that way like this, you can applicable to phase diagram, phase rule, F equal to the number of components 2, number of phases only 1 plus 2. So that means 4 minus 1 that equal to 3. So that is the only for two component system. So in this two component system, so all the any component system, the phase rule will be the same. F equal to C minus P plus 1 is the only general phase rule. C minus P plus 2 is the two component system. So in this one, two component system, only it is applicable to two components. So either solid or liquid. So there is no gas phase. So in this one, gas phase will be omitted, it will be negligible. So that means it will usually absent in only gas phase. So only two phases will be there. So solid and liquid. So the solid and liquid two components will be condensed together. So this diagram will be only in such the system will be called as only two component system. So that is the solid liquid equilibrium system. So the two component system do not form any component. So and it will be solidification. They simply it can be formed only mixture and eutectic point. The two component system of eutectic point it will be separate. It is only solid or a liquid phase. The common examples for only in two component system is the silver and lead. So silver and lead, silver is the one metal, lead is the another metal. So that means the number of component will be 2. So that's why this example is belongs to only what? Two component system. Another one is the zinc and cadmium. So zinc and cadmium, two metals. So potassium iodide and water. So it is a two component. So water is one component, potassium iodide is the another component. So then silver and antimony, bismuth and cadmium system. So these will be also having the two components. So that's why these examples will be belongs to only what? Two component system. The two component system will be combining to form compounds with the congruent melting points. So the two components will be formed solid compound known as only intermetallic compounds. It is a stable up to melting point. So this is the most common example of magnesium zinc. So magnesium zinc is the one. Magnesium zinc is the another one. So the two compound system combine to form the compounds with incongruent melting point. The two components will be formed solid compound which is decomposed before it reaching it only melting point. So the common example for only what? Sodium chloride and water system. So this system it can be formed. Water can form only solid hydrated. So we can discuss it about any one of the example is like that only silver lead system. So it is a silver lead system is belongs to only what two component system. So the two component system it being only silver and lead. So it is a very possible phases only solid silver and solid lead and solution of the silver and solution of the so solid silver, solid lead, solution of the silver and lead in molten state. So these two metals are completely miscible in the molten state. Molten state. So another one is the vaporization. Vaporization is nothing but it is the absent one. So that's why. So the silver system you can see the complete temperature composition diagram of silver and lead system. So this diagram of system consists of two curves will be there. So OA curve, OB curve, and areas and incongruent binding or melting point. You can see the diagram. So it is a phase diagram of silver lead system. So in this diagram, you can see the diagram. So it is the O. O point is called as only what? Eutectic point or triple point. So A, B. So below the line D and C. So OA is the one curve and OB is another curve and D is a line. So it is a eutectic solid silver, eutectic lead silver. So you can see the temperature also. So A temperature 961 degrees centigrades and B temperature 320 degree 327 degrees centigrades and also below the line DC. So D is the 303 and C is the 303. So in this one, so it is the line, the temperature and composition. So the at A point, so the silver will be 100% silver is there and the lead will be also 0%. And the same way in the B line, B point, so the silver is 0%, lead is the 100%. So the AO curve is also called as the freezing point curve of silver and also OB curve is called as only freezing point curve of lead. So that you have to remember it. So you can discuss it about only curves. So OA curve and OB curve in this diagram. So A represent the melting point curve of pure silver will be present at the temperature only 961 degrees centigrades at point B. So the pure lead 327 degrees centigrades. So all the points of the curve AB, AO and BO it is represented only pure silver curve and pure lead curve. So in this one, so it is a pure silver will be there. So by the silver, by adding of lead, so by the addition of lead to only silver. So at the time, the freezing point curve of silver will be decreases at the point O. So it will completely decreases. So it will be converted to only what? So liquid solid silver. So that means so pure silver you can obtain by only at the point O. In the same way, OB curve also. OB curve pure lead will be there at temperature 327 degrees centigrades by adding of silver. So it is a liquid one. By adding of silver to the lead, so addition of silver, it will be completely solidified. So the pure lead will be present at the temperature only what 327 degrees centigrades. So in this one, that curves will be called as only freezing point curve of silver and freezing point curve of lead. So O point at point O point is called as only what? It is a eutectic point or triple point. Eutectic point or a triple point will be there. So in this one, AO curve and OB curve is present only in equilibrium state. So in this one, so you can see, so every curve you can applicable to only phase diagram also. So that means so F equal to C minus P plus 1. So components 2, silver and lead. Phases 2. So that means what? Two phases will be there. One is the solid phase, another one is the liquid phase. Why? Because of only the pure silver by adding of liquid lead to the silver melting point will be decreases. So that's why in this curve, two phases will be there. So one is the solid phase, another one is the liquid phase. So components 2, phases 2, you can applicable to only phase rule. So F equal to C minus P plus 1. So that equal to components 2, phases 2 plus 1. So that means 3 minus 2, that equal to 1. So it is the univariant. So AO curve and BO curve. So that two curves will be only what? Univariant curve. Because of only solid silver and solid lead. So melt liquid. So there will be two phases will be there. So these are the curves of AO and OB curve. So then you take this point. So in this point, two curves. So AO curve and AO curve and BO curve will melt together at a particular point. This point will be called as only what? Eutectic point. So in this one, it is a non-variant one because of only so two phases and so either phase. So that means it will be also non-variant one. Non-variant one. So why? Because of non-variant one. So it is the only 3 minus 3, that equal to 0. So that's why it is called as only non-variant one. So below this line, so D point and C point, O point and E point. So that means DOE one area and COE one area. So then AOB one area, AOD one area. So that means BOC another area. So then you go for only areas wise. So this area will be completely liquid, melt liquid. So melt means what? It will be solid will be converted to only melted state. So that means it will be semi-solid. So that will be also called as a liquid in one. So it is the solid one. So then liquid solid silver, liquid solid lead. So these are the areas and eutectic solid silver and eutectic lead. So it is a particular point E. So the silver will be obtained only 2.4% and lead will be from only 97.6% in that a particular point is called as only E point only. So in this one, so the areas, so all the areas, so AOB area, AOD area, BOC area, so then DOE area, COE area. So all these areas will be also, so the areas will be, two phases will be there. So it will be temperature will be applicable to these areas also. So silver and lead is a stable one. So in the AOD area, solid silver and liquid melt. So BOC area, so this area, solid lead and liquid melt. So this composition also, the degree of freedom will be only 1. So BOB area, the degree of freedom only 2. So in the DOE and COE area, so below the line, so both areas will be having only solid silver plus eutectic point, solid lead plus eutectic point. So in this one, you can reduce the phase diagram, components 2, phases 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 plus 1, so that equal to 3 minus 1. So that is 3 minus 2, that equal to only 1. So it is a important one areas also. So you can discuss about only this diagram in silver lead system is also very, very important. So in this one, so the curves, AO curve and BO curve. So then areas, AOB area and BOC area, AOD area, DOE area and COE area. So then eutectic point 3. So that you have to discuss it about, you can write in the examination point of view in the same manner. So it is the very, very important one, silver lead system.